Friends, welcome to Model Maths Nagaraj Sir YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss intermediate first year mathematics 1A 6th chapter trigonometric ratios up to their transformations. Part 9 long questions we are discussing because we are going to learn long questions. In the previous part 8 also long questions we have started. So if you watch from part 1 you can understand easily. So before that please subscribe and click bell button and share with your friends. Thank you for watching my videos. Coming to the point. Seventh question. If A comma B comma C are angles of a triangle, then prove that cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equal -1 minus 4 cos A cos B cos C. Okay. How to solve? Same as usually in the previous part. Let A B C are given angles of triangle. Then A plus B plus C is equal to how much? It becomes 180 degrees. For every question we should write like these few steps in the first. So A plus B becomes 180 minus C. So if you apply sine on both sides, then it becomes what? Sine of A plus B is equal sine of 180 minus C. Compulsory we should take. If you take a cos on both sides, then it becomes what? Cos of A plus B is equal cos of okay, in the below step I will write. Simplify this. Sine of A plus B means sine of A plus B is equal means is equal. What about sine of 180 minus t? So actually sine of 180 minus 180 means it belongs to second coordinate. In second sine is positive. Okay, sine of 180 theta is sine theta. So we get sine C. This is two steps. If you apply cos on both sides, then we get cos of A plus B equal cos of 180 minus C. So cos of A plus B is equal cos of 180 minus C means cos of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta belongs to second coordinate. In second cos is negative. So it becomes cos C. Cos of A plus B equal minus cos C. Otherwise multiply with minus, then it becomes minus cos of A plus B becomes plus cos C. So whatever, if you replace cos A plus B, we can write minus cos C. Or instead of cos C, we can write minus cos of A. Or instead of sine of A plus B, we can write sine C. Or instead of sine C, we can write sine of A plus B in the problem. So now take LHS. Left hand term. What is the left hand term? Cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. Okay. As I told you in the previous part, we should know some formulas. It is the form of cos C plus cos D. Okay. What is cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D means 2 cos. Very good. So 2 cos C plus D by 2 means what? 2A plus 2B by 2. 2A plus 2B by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 means 2A minus 2B by 2 plus cos 2C. You first keep as this. Okay now. We can convert it either in terms of sine or in terms of cos. But later we can do. So here 2 take out common. We get 2 into A plus B by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So we get cos of A plus B. That's it. Okay now. 2 take cancel. 2 to cancel. Here also take common. So numerator to denominator to cancel. Then we get cos of A minus B plus cos 2C. So now LHS is equal to cos of A plus B means what? Cos of A plus B means what? Minus cos C. So instead of cos of A plus B, I'm write minus cos C. Okay, the minus I wrote in that. And cos of A minus B means as it is cos of A minus B. So now cos 2 theta expressed in terms of cos. Cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta means generally cos square theta minus sin square theta. From that, if you write in terms of cos, we can get 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos 2c can be written as 2 cos square c minus 1. Okay now, where since cos 2 theta is equal 2 cos square theta minus 1. According to that formula, instead of cos 2c, I wrote 2 cos square c minus 1. So then, from here cos is there, from here cos is there, and 2 also there. So we can take 2 cos c common, and moreover minus 1 is there, single term right in the starting. So which is called minus 1. Minus 2 cos c take common in both terms. So minus 2 cos c take out common, then remaining here if you take this common, then remaining is cos of A minus B is remaining term. So cos of A minus B. Then here what? If plus is there, take minus common, then minus becomes 2 already took out. Okay. So again 2 will not come. And in cos square, if you take 1 cos c, 1 cos c is 0. So minus cos c we get. That's it. So which is called minus 1 minus 2 cos c. Almost all we have reached the solution. So minus cos c means what? Again, minus cos c means what? Cos of a plus b. So instead of minus cos c, we can write plus cos of a plus b. Okay. So which is called minus 1 minus 2 cos c into, what do you mean by cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b? The formula will be, if you don't know also we can write there. Then how? Observe the RF, right hand term. We should get minus 1, already got it. And minus 4 cos a cos b cos c we should get. But we have minus 2 cos c only, we got it. So cos c is over. 4 means 2 got it. And one more 2 cos a cos b required. So one more 2 cos a cos b is required. Okay, now by observing the RHS, comparing with RHS, I wrote the formula. So this is the formula of cos of a minus b cos of a plus b. If you have, remember, if you have an idea about this cos of a plus b cos of a minus b becomes 2 cos a, write it directly and check the verify. Otherwise, you can by using RHS we can write. Now minus 2 into 2 minus 4. So write in order. First one is cos a, second one is cos b, third one is cos c. So got it RHS. So this is the LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So this is the simplification, very simple. Okay, this is 7th question. Now let us see next one more question, like same type of question. Okay, just minus is there. Okay, na? Just minus is there. 7th is completed. Next 8th question. If ABC angles of a triangle, left cos 2a plus cos 2 minus cos 2 is called 1 minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. Sin a sin b cos c. This is the 8th question. Then how can we solve? Is it true question? Yeah. 1 minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. Then how can we solve the same type of a plus b plus 180 so and so. These 3 steps same for every question. And here just minus is there. Okay, here only it becomes minus minus. So it becomes what? Minus 2 cos square plus 1 it becomes. Okay, now we are using that formula. So here we get in both minus 2 means here we get plus, here we get minus, because of plus cos c means minus cos of a plus b. So we get minus 2. So plus 1 we get in all terms. Plus 1 we get all terms. So 2 sin a sin b we get. So we get final answer becomes sin a sin b. So like that we can complete. If you understood 7th one, you can do simply in 8th question also. Let us take next problem. Now 9th question. This is an important question, very important. If a comma b comma c are angles of a triangle, then prove that cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2 is equal 4 cos pi minus a by 4 into cos pi minus b by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4. Okay, we have 4 questions based on this pi minus a by 4, 5 minus a, sorry, not 4, maybe 5 or 6. In the previous parts also 2 questions were completed. So in this 2 more questions. Okay, very important question, same process. So how to do A, B, C are angles of triangle. Then for A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. 180 means what? I'm writing pi because of the in the RHS in terms of pi is there. So then immediately A plus B becomes what? Pi minus C. See here in the left hand side A by 2, B by 2, C by 2 is there now. So that's why do divide by 2 on the both sides. So it becomes A plus B by 2 is equal pi by 2 minus C by 2. A plus B by 2 equal pi by 2 minus C by 2. So now apply sign on both sides. We get sin of A plus B by 2 is equal sin of pi by 2 minus C by 2. Pi by 2 minus C by 2 means what? Yes, 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus theta becomes cos theta. So we get cos of C by 2. A plus B by 2 is equal. Okay. Next, similarly, apply cos on both sides. Okay. Actually, if you write here, that is better. So my board is not sufficient. I am writing here. So applying cos on both sides. Then cos of A plus B by 2 is equal cos of 90 minus C by 2. Cos 90 minus theta becomes what? sine theta. So it becomes cos of a plus b by 2 means sine c by 2, we got it. So prior information is completed. Now take left hand side, LHS. So LHS is what? Cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2. That is the left hand term. So from first two terms, cos c plus cos d formula we can apply. What is cos c plus cos d? In the previous also we stood. Yes, very good. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So based on that formula cos c plus cos d means 2 cos c plus d. That means a by 2 plus b by 2 by 2 into again cos a minus b by 2 means a by 2 minus b by 2 by 2. Okay, next to plus cos c by 2 means, okay, keep it as it is first here, cos c by 2. Then simplifying this, 2 into cos, see here, a by 2 plus b by 2 by 2 means we get a plus b by 2 by 2 means a plus b by 4 we get. A plus b by 4 we get. The next into cos, here also a minus b by 4 we get plus cos c by 2 is there. So instead of cos c by 2, what we can write? Okay, instead of cos c by 2, we can write that sine of a plus b by 2. Instead of cos c by 2, we can write sine of a plus b by 2. So I am applying sine of a plus b by 2. Okay, for reduce one more step, we can, I am writing in the above step, cos c by 2 means sine of a plus b by 2. So in the next step, sine of a plus b by 2, I am taking, see, I am considering this is as sine theta. Sine theta. Sine theta means what? 2 sine, otherwise sine 2 theta formula. Sine 2 theta formula I am going to apply. What is sine 2 theta formula? 2 sine theta cos theta. Rougher this is. Next, if you want to write sine of 2 into a plus b by 4. 2 into a plus b by 4. Means formation of sine of 2 theta. So it becomes 2 sine a plus b by 4 into cos a plus b by 4. Okay. This is called 2 1 ja 2 2. So sine of a plus b by 2 nothing but we can write 2 sine a plus b by 4 into cos a plus b by 4. So plus 2 sine a plus b by 4 into cos a plus b by 4. Okay. See once again. For first two terms, cos c plus cos d formula applied. That is 2 cos means 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Next, instead of cos c by 2, I wrote sin a plus b by 2. Because of cos c by 2 means sin of a plus b by 2. In the next step, 2 means 2, cos means cos. A plus b, denominator 2 is same. So 2 is LCM, 2 2 ja 4. So 2 goes to denominator. 2 into 2 becomes 4. And here it is sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin of 2 into a plus b by 4 model. You can write as 2 into sin a plus theta cos theta like that. Okay, this is the rough work. So write rough work in the your fair notes, because of in the future for your practice purpose, you will understand how this step come from above step, means by using this rough work. So now what is common in all terms? In this 2 is common and cos of a plus b by 4 is common. So 2 into cos of a plus b by 4 take out common. Then remaining cos of a minus b by 4, and here 2 take out common, cos take out common, remaining is sin a plus b by 4 is the remaining common. Okay, then what? This is not cos plus cos, then how? Okay, first of all, a plus b means what? A plus b means pi minus c, am I right? So instead of a plus b, I am writing pi minus c by 4, and into cos of a minus b means a minus b only, plus sin of pi minus c by 4. See, almost all we have reached the solution. Cos of a minus b by 4 as it is. Cos of a minus b by 4 as it is. See, plus sine of pi minus c is there. We should get the answer in terms of cos. Already this is got it. Am I right? Already last one is got it. And finally cos pi minus a by 4, cos pi minus b we should get. So cos is there. So to get cos means 2 cos, it should be cos c plus cos d. It should be cos c plus cos d. Why? Because of cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So if it is also a cos, then cos plus cos we can write 2 cos. 2 cos we get. So but sine is there. How can we write in terms of cos? We should express this term in terms of cos. How? Because of cosine theta can be expressed as cos of 90 minus theta. So which formula used? Sin theta means cos of 90 minus theta formula used. So right side, since sin theta is called cos of 90 minus theta. So based on that formula, instead of sin pi minus c by 4, I express it as cos pi by 2 minus pi minus c by 4. So now which is equal 2 cos pi minus c by 4 into cos a minus b by 4 plus cos. So 2 4 LCM is 4. 2 table 2 pi minus 5 becomes pi minus c. Sorry, minus 2c we get. That's it. Minus plus c. Otherwise, keep as it is. Now, sorry, here getting some trouble if you change a plus b as pi minus c. So that's why keep it as it is. So as a plus b by 4 only, keep it. So then sin theta means cos of 90 minus a plus b. Because of we should get in terms of pi minus a and pi minus b. So to get in terms of a and b, we should be keep it in terms of a and b only. So that's why don't change this. If you change this, no problem. So let's continue. Now cos c plus cos d. So 2 cos pi minus c by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4 plus cos of, okay, 4 is the LCM, 2 into 5, 2 5 minus a minus b by 4. So finally cos c plus cos d means 2 cos. So 2 into cos of pi minus c by 4 into 2 into cos. So what will be? Very simple. Already we got it this term and 4 term. So remaining will be pi minus a by 4, pi minus b by 4. If you simplify, we get those are only pi minus a by 4, pi minus b by 4. So write in the order in the last step. 2 cos pi minus a by 4 into cos pi minus b by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4 is the RHS, hence proved. Okay. See once again a small explanation again. First to take a plus b plus c is equal to pi, send c right side, we get these two conditions. Next to take LHS, for first two terms apply cos c plus cos d, we get like this term, and simplification we get like. In the right last term cos c by 2 expressed in terms of cos c by 2 means sin of a plus b by 2. Next to sin of a plus b by 2 means we can consider as sin 2 into a plus b by 4. So apply sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. Then take common. What is the common in both terms? Cos of a plus b by 4, 2 common. Remaining cos a minus b by 4 plus sin a plus b by 4 is there. So here a plus b means we can write a pi minus c. One term is got it. Okay, luckily, just leave it. Here I did not change because of we should get in terms of pi minus a and pi minus b, because of remaining terms should be get in terms of a and b. That's why it is kept as it is in terms of a and b. So now this is as it is. Here this is also as it is. Plus means plus. Here sin is there. This sin I expressed it as in terms of cos of 90 minus theta. Because of when cos C plus cos D formation only, we can get to 2 cos cos. That's why sine can be converted into cos. And finally, you got the RHS, hence proved. Okay. Now, let us see the next 10th problem. Next to 10th question, if ABC are angles of triangle, then prove that cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 minus cos C by 2 is equal to 4 cos phi plus A by 4, cos phi plus B by 4, cos phi minus C by 4. These are positives. In the previous question, negatives are there. So this concept is same for every question. Okay, first write as it is. Now take LHS. So what is LHS? Cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 minus cos C by 2. Almost all. This is also same like in the previous. Now cos C plus cos D formula, 2 cos C plus D by 2 means A by 2 plus B by 2 by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Sorry, C minus D by 2 means A by 2 minus B by 2 by 2. And minus cos C means you just keep it as is. Based on this we can express that. So this becomes 2 cos A plus B by 4 into cos A minus B by 4 minus. So here cos of A plus B by 4 is there. So cos C by 2 means what? Sin A plus B by 2. Cos C by 2 means what? Sin A plus B by 2. Okay. Since I used two formulas, one is cos C plus cos D formula. What is that? 2 cos so and so. And second one is instead of cos C by 2, I wrote to sin of A plus B by 2. Okay. If you write aside, then you in your practice in the future you can understand, oh, from cos C by 2 we got it sin A plus B by 2 because of since there is a formula. How? From here means like that. Again, this can be expressed as sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin A plus B by 4 into cos A plus B by 4. Okay, na? Just now same type question, just a small difference. 2 is common, cos is common. So 2 cos A plus B by 4 take out common. Then remaining terms are cos of A minus B by 4 minus sin of A plus B by 4. Okay. Now, so keep as it is, 2 cos A plus B by 4 into cos A minus B by 4, also common, same. So then what will be next? Same. Cos A plus B by 4 means, yes, very good. A plus B means we can write pi minus C. So here I am changing pi minus C. Here also you can change. Here also you can change. Next step also you can change. No problem. So we got it last term. And the remaining two are cos only. Okay. Here cos is there. Here sin is there. How can we get cos? If it is cos plus cos D. Sorry. If it is cos C plus cos D, then only we can get. But it is minus is there. Then wait, how it becomes plus? Yes. Minus sin theta can be written as cos of 90 plus theta. Okay. In the previous question already plus is there. That's why we have taken pi minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta. But here minus is there. So to become plus, I have taken cos of 90 plus theta. Because of cos of 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. So now, which is called 2 into cos pi minus C by 4 into cos A minus B by 4 plus cos 4 is the LCM, 2 into pi. 2 pi plus A plus B by 4. So by simplifying that, we can get, what we can get? Yes, 2 into cos pi plus A by 4 into cos pi plus B by 4. So write in order, because of those only we should get. So thus I am writing. Why I am writing? Instead of these two we can get that only. So in two ways I am explaining why we are writing, how we are writing. So 2 cos, 2 into 2 becomes what? 4 cos pi plus A by 4 into cos pi plus B by 4 into cos pi minus C by 4. This is the RHS, hence proved. RHS, hence proved. So let us see the next problems. Those will be very small problems. Next 11th problem. If A comma B comma C are angles of a triangle, then prove that sin square A plus sin square B minus sin square C is equal to sin A sin B cos C. So now ABC are angles of a triangle. So A plus B plus C is equal 180 degrees. So then A plus B becomes what? 180 minus C. Apply sin on both sides. So sin of A plus B is equal to what? Sin of 180 minus theta. So sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta only. So we get sine of a plus b equal sine c. Next to apply cos on both sides. So cos of a plus b equal cos of 180 minus c. Cos of 180 minus theta means what? Minus cos theta. So cos of a plus b is equal minus cos c. Otherwise, minus cos of a plus b equal to plus cos c. Okay, we can substitute according to the needed things. Now take LHS. What is LHS? Sin square a plus sin square b plus minus sin square c. So now we can't apply sin c plus sin d. Okay, because of square is there. So we first convert in terms of either cos terms or sin terms. There is only one chance. Cos, in terms of cos only we can change. See, what is cos 2 theta formula generally? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Actually, this is the major formula. Based on this, we can derive 6 formulas or 8 formulas also we can derive. Okay. In previous course, when I explained the formula situation, at the time I explained that. So that's why please watch my videos part 1, then part 2, then part 3, so and so. Then you can understand very easily. Of course, again I am saying, so sin square a becomes what? So it is in terms of sin square a. So cos convert in terms of sin. So it becomes 1 minus sin square theta. So minus sin square theta as it is. So minus sin square what? Minus 2 sin square theta. So cos theta as 2 theta as it is. So minus 2 sin square theta bring left side. So plus 2 sin square theta. 1 as it is. Cos 2 theta send right side. 1 minus cos 2 theta. So 2 sin square theta equal 1 minus cos 2 theta. Then 2 sin right side becomes by 2. So sin square formula is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay. Always remembering the formulas is a little bit critical. So to reduce those kind of problems, take the major formula and simplify in your answer sheet. So you can get the formula without any mistake. So sin square a means what we can write? 1 minus cos 2a by 2. 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Similarly, sin square 2b, 1 minus cos 2b by 2. And minus sin square c as it is. Okay. Later we can change sin square c also. Okay. So now in both terms 2 is the denominator. So same terms now 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and in both minus is common. Then it becomes minus cos 2a plus cos 2b minus sin square c. I am removing this rougher. Next to which is called 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, this is in the form of cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d means what? 2 cos means 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos 2a minus 2b by 2. Okay, minus sin square c as it is. See here 2 to cancel, 1 minus cos. If you take 2 common in these 2 gets cancelled, we get cos a plus b. Into cos, here also we get a minus b minus sin square c. Okay. What is sin a, sin b, cos a and positive? Sorry, okay, positive we get. So 1. So minus of cos of a plus b means what? Minus of cos of a plus b means cos c. So I am writing plus cos c into cos of a minus b as it is, and minus as it is. See sin square value in terms of cos c. So sin square we can express in terms of cos, that is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay na? Because of from first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, then sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So like that, sin square c means 1 minus cos square c. Okay. You write these steps also in the rougher place or in the side place. Now, so splitting 1 plus cos c into cos of a plus b. So minus 1 minus into minus plus cos c, cos square c. See minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, and remaining 2 terms cos c can be taken out common. So take cos c common, then remaining cos of a plus b plus cos c is the remaining. Okay, I am removing this. Now, so which is called cos c into cos of a plus b. C plus cos c means what? Plus cos c means minus cos of a plus b. So minus cos of a plus b. See here, I did a mistake. You are not saying. Okay, thank you. A minus b, a minus b. Now, so cos c as it is. Now, what is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus formula? We don't know. So see the RHS, compare with. We get 2 sin a sin b. So we get that only, 2 sin a sin b. Because of already cos c got it. So now write in order 2 into sin a into sin b into cos c. Got it? Is equal to RHS, hence proved. So therefore LHS is equal RHS, hence proved. Just got it. See once again, this is same pattern. Take LHS. In this we can't apply either sin c plus sin d or cos c plus cos d. So that's why sin square a expressed in terms of cos 1 minus cos 2a by 2, and similarly sin square b. So doing some simplifications, we got cos c plus cos d formation. So apply 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Next sin square c means the next step it can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So simplifying, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, and doing, we get the RHS. Now let us see the next problem. Next 12th question. If ABCD are angles of a triangle, then prove that cos square a plus cos square b minus cos square c is called 1 minus 2 sin a sin b cos c. Same type of question. Okay, this do same process. Take LHS, that is cos square a plus cos square b minus cos square c. See here, by using cos 2 theta formula. What is cos 2 theta formula? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, what is cos 2 theta formula? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Express in terms of cos. So we get cos square, sin square means 1 minus cos square. So minus to minus plus cos square becomes 2 cos square theta minus 1. So minus 1 bring left side, it becomes 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal 2 cos square theta. So cos square theta means 2 send right left side by 2 vastundi. So cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So cos square a means 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Cos square b means 1 plus cos 2b by 2. Minus cos square c means keep as it is. Then all terms plus is there. So plus, and here minus cos square c. I am just modifying the previous answer because of here my intention is the 11th question, 12th question, same type of questions. So cos c plus cos d formula 2 cos and minus cos square c keep as it is, minus cos square c keep as it is. So plus we get, so here, okay, I'm removing from here. 1 cos of a plus b means what? Cos of a plus b means minus cos c. So here I am written minus cos c into cos of a minus b. So minus cos square c keep as it is because of it in terms of cos only. So now both minus cos c take out common. Minus cos c can take out. So then remaining terms of cos of a minus b plus cos c. So what will be the answer? 1 minus cos c. Cos c is there, minus is there. Then 2 sin a sin b required. Okay, here instead of cos c, we can write one more step. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Okay, why? Plus cos c means minus cos of a plus b. Now apply RHS term. It means 2 sin a sin b. So which is called 1 minus 2 sin a sin b into cos c. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. This is the solution. See once again, this is the same process. Take left hand side. Cos square a means formula 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square b means 1 plus cos 2b by 2. And cos square c as it is. In both 2 is the denominator, same LCM. 1 plus 1, 2. And both row 2 at a time. And observe cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. And 2 by 2 and by 2. So 2 to cancel 1, no, 2 to cancel nothing. And cos of a plus b means minus cos c. By using cos of a plus b means minus cos c I applied. So this one I used. And from remaining minus cos c take out common. The remaining steps we got the answer. Let us see the next problem. Okay. First see the 13th question. This is also like 12th answer only. That's why I did not remove this. What is 13th question? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then prove that cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is equal to 1 plus 2 cos a cos b cos c. This is the question. Actually, in every question, a plus b, a, b, c are angles of a triangle. But here condition is a plus b plus c is equal to 0 degrees. Means we should take 0 only. So if you take 0 degrees, it becomes 0 minus c, means we get only minus c. So then sin of a plus b becomes what? Sin of minus c. Sin of minus theta becomes what? Minus sin theta. Similarly, if you apply cos, we get cos of a plus b equal to cos of minus c. So cos of minus c what? Plus cos c. Okay. So here no need second term. Okay now. That's why cos is called even function. Okay. So now take left hand sum. What is left hand sum? Cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is the left hand term. Same cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Like that. Cos square a formula 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Cos square b also same. And plus cos square plus cos square. Okay. So plus. So okay. Let us watch. 2 is the denominator. 1 plus 1 2 cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos square c. And simplification. Cos of a plus b means what? Cos of a plus b means plus cos c. So take plus cos c common. So plus cos c plus cos c plus cos c common. So here where we can change here cos c plus cos d, got it. Cos c plus cos d means what? 2 cos a cos b. So finally we get 1 plus 2 into cos a cos b cos c. Okay. By the same repeated 12th question, I just modified because of 12th and 13th, 11th are same type of questions. A small change. In the previous question, plus is minus is given, here plus is given. That's why I wrote plus. And instead of cos of a plus b, you just cos c write down. Because of based on 0, we get cos of a plus b equal to cos of minus c, we get cos c. See once again, given a plus b plus c is equal to 0 degrees, that's why a plus b equal to minus c. Then sin of a plus b becomes minus sin c. Cos of a plus b becomes plus cos c. Okay, these are the formulas. Take left hand term. Cos square a means 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Cos square b means 1 plus cos 2b by 2. Cos square c as it is. In both 2 is the denominator. 1 plus 1 2 cos 2a plus cos 2b. In the form of cos c plus cos b. Okay, 2 by 2 as it is plus 1 by 2 write down. So 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus 2 cos square c as it is. 2 gets cancelled, 2 cancelled. 1 plus what is the remaining? 2 take common. So cos of a plus b is remaining. Cos of a minus b is remaining. Plus cos square c as it is. Next cos of a plus b means what? From here cos of a plus b means cos c. And this is as it is, this is as it is. From these two cos c is common. Then remaining cos of a minus b plus cos c is remaining. Now cos c means what? Cos of a plus b. Cos c means cos. Now cos c plus cos b formula 2 cos cos. So 2 cos cos based on RHS we wrote the answer. So these are the long questions, and more only 4 or 5 questions, long questions are there. Almost all, if you get the grip on this 7 marks questions, you can solve the all questions. If you are trouble in this solving 7 marks questions, I just give you only few questions. You just practice those few questions. What are the questions means? Especially pi minus a by 4, pi minus b by 4, pi minus c by 4. Based on the concept, we have 4 questions. Those 4 are very most important. And the remaining after this 4, and do according to your capability, your ability, solve the remaining questions. But if you are feel these long questions are difficult, just leave. Focus on very short questions and short questions. Then what about long questions means? Just learn only 4 questions. Then because of in 7 marks questions we have choice. So if you do not get the question in these 4 questions, you can write the solution of other 7 marks questions from other chapters. But however, try to learn the all problems. Okay, thank you watching my videos. Please subscribe and click bell button, share with your friends, and thank you for your encouragement also. I'm making all videos. Please watch all videos and must watch in orderly. You may be in the middle or sometimes you can feel difficult, but 99% from overall all classes, if you listen my all classes, you can easily you can get a good score in mathematics 1A or mathematics 1B or 2A or 2B. Thank you. Watch for next video.